Welcome to my channel, Learning Hub with Aunty Fatimah. This is a space where you get to speak, read, and excel. Hello, brilliant learners. Welcome back to Learning Hub, where we speak, read, and excel. I am Aunty Fatimah, and I am so glad to have you here today. Today's lesson is going to be exciting as we will be learning something that will sharpen your skills and help you perform even better in your next exam. So before we begin, make sure you've got your notebook, your pen, and your thinking cap on. Remember, learning is fun when we participate. So don't just watch. Repeat after me, try out the examples, and drop your answers in the comments. If you're ready, tap that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and let's dive right into today's lesson with confidence and excitement. Are you ready? Let's go! Welcome to Learning Hub with Aunty Fatimah. Today, we're diving into a simple but powerful oral hack to help you shine in WAEC NECO test of orals. And our focus tonight is polysyllabic words ending in H. Do you know many students lose marks in WAEC NECO test of orals because they mispronounce simple words? But if you know this hack, I bet you'll answer confidently. Now, here is the rule. Whenever you see a word with more than one syllable ending in H, don't say H. Say instead each. For example, courage becomes courage. Courage. Village becomes village. Village. Manage becomes manage. Manage. And marriage becomes marriage, not marriage. So learners, let's quickly practice these examples. The very first word here is message. Message. The next is package. Package. And then we have passage. Passage. Followed by coverage. Coverage. And then luggage. Luggage. And lastly, we have manage. Can you hear the H sound? Now here's the WAEC and the NECO tip. In the exam, check carefully if the word ends with H and has more than a syllable. Always go for the option that has a short E. Now, try the assignment in the next slide and drop your answers in the comment section. Fantastic job today, smart learners. I am proud of the effort you've put into this lesson, but remember, practice makes progress. So, go over the examples again and try applying what you've learned in your own sentences and exercises. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learning Hub for more exciting lessons with Aunty Fatimah. Till next time, keep speaking, keep reading, and of course, keep excelling. See you in the next class. Thanks for watching Learning Hub with Aunty Fatimah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next class.